Hi, class. Today we will learn about the plant life cycle. You all know that it's always a good idea to plant more and more trees. Trees play a very vital role in maintaining the balance of our ecosystem. Have you ever wondered how the plant grows step by step? So today we will learn about the plant life cycle. So, to begin, I have a picture for you. So, could you name this picture? Okay, what it is? So, okay, let's. Now, the first one, this is the acrosis. The second is outrace. The third is tomato seeds. Tomato, sunflowers, sunflower seeds, sunflowers, apple seeds, and the last one is apple. So, how do you know how does the seed become a plant? So, today I will show you a video. You will be watching a video to learn about the different stages in a plant life cycle. In this video, we will look at a plant life cycle. A plant life cycle shows the different stages of life in plants as they grow from small seeds into adult plants. Then the children seeds ready for life cycle. Now, let's take a note carefully and then take the recap the key stages. Now, we started watching. Okay.
Do you know how a plant grows? It all starts with a tiny seed. When a seed gets water and warmth, something magical happens. It begins to grow. The roots of the plant go down, down, down into the soil. It holds the growing seedlings in place. Soon after, the stem reaches up, up, up towards the sky. The young seedlings grow leaves that catch the sunlight it needs. Almost like magic, the plant starts to make its own food. As the days pass, the plant gets bigger and bigger. And guess what? Some plants will also get pretty flowers and yummy fruits. Inside the fruits are seeds from which new plants will grow. Isn't that amazing?
Yay!
Don't forget to subscribe.
Now, we continue with lessons. It is amazing. So, after watching the video, could anyone can tell me, recap me the case status of the plant life cycle? So, now we continue. Now, okay. Now, the stages of the plant cycle are seed, germination, seedling, adult plants, pollination, seeds of root production. So, repeat after me again. Seed, germination, seedling, adult plant, pollination, seed production. So we will practice in this verbs more and more in this lesson. So, next, now, I have mature. I have mature plants. Can anyone identify the characteristics of a plant and explain how its bark helps the plants grow and reproduce? So, now, as we have learned, mature plants have roots, stem, flower, and leaf, and fruits. As we have learned, each part of plant has a function to help the plants grow and reproduce. So the life cycle is also, all living things, including plants, have a specific life cycle that keep their species alive. A life cycle is defined as a developmental stage that occurs during an organism's lifetime. The stage plant has experiences from mid-birth to death, and when the cycle repeats, are described as the life cycle of plant. We will learn about various stages of plant cycle. So, there are 5 steps of a life cycle. Step 1, seeds. The plant life cycle starts with the seeds. The outer layer called the outer coat. Inside the seed is an embryo. The stage 2 is germination. Seed will begin to sprout. The first roots grow downwards. Tiny hair on roots absorb water and minerals from soil. The plant will continue. The seed plant will continue to grow stronger. The stage is seedling. Seedling a very young plant starts to grow into sunlight. Let's remember, seedling needs sunlight, nutrients from soil, water, and air to survive and grow. The stage 4, mature or adult plant can grow flower or fruit. So, other plants have roots, stems, flowers, or fruits. Other plants are bigger and have more parts than a seedling. Stay fast. Now, wait me a minute. So, no, wait me a minute. So, to continue, the stage 5 is pollination. To be able to produce flowering plants must get pollen from the male part of a flower to female part of a flower. This is called pollination, and this happens with the help of pollinator. Pollinators are insects or other animals like birds and bats that move pollen around. And the last one is seed rotate. The newly rotated seed repeats the same life cycle to generate new plants similar to their parents. So, we turn to activity 1. Now, in this activity, let's match word to definition on this picture. So, you have 5 minutes. Okay. The first is seeds. So, I'm sorry. The first is C. Oh no, wait me a minute. Sorry. My computer is wrong. No. Let's mark. No. Okay, C. Germination, seedling, adult plant, pollination, fruits and seed production. So after this activity, I hope that you can remember clearly state of life circle. So now let you now we can summarize four state I'm sorry, so 5 stages of a life plant cycle. The first one is seeds. The second one is seedling. The third is adult plants. Then flower. Now, I have an activity for you. This is working pair. Decreasing worksheets. Math in May and the prison of a life circle status. Now, begins. Okay. First is seeds. Next is sealing. Then, no, I'm sorry. Next is germination. Then sealing. And finally is adult plants. Finally is adult plants. That's good job. Now, next, activity 3. This is a group start. Now, use write a short paragraph, 5 to 7 sentences to describe the plant life circle using the sequencing words and at least 4 key vocabulary terms, including first, next, then, finally. Okay, now this is an example. First, a seed is planted in the soil. Next, germination happens and the seed starts to grow roots. Then the seedling appears with small leaves. Finally, wandering occurs and the plant produces fruits. Okay, good job. Now, activity 5. This is your working pair. You will present the life cycle to the classroom using this bottle, taking turns to describe each stage. Now, I have a potter for you. Now, okay. Now, oak trees. The sunflower life cycle will begin with the seeds. This seed planted in the bright condition will germinate and grow into a seedling. The seedling will continue to grow into adult plant, which will then flower and produce its own seeds, ready for the life cycle to begin again. Okay, good job. The next one. Many plants produce fruits which have seeds. Let's take a look at the life cycle of a tomato plant. Tomato plant life cycle of a plant begins with the seed found inside the fruit? Oh, you know, the seeds inside the fruit. The seeds planted in the bright condition, these will germinate and grow into small seedlings. The plant will continue to grow into an adult when it will be able to produce more yellow flowers. Once pollinated, the plant will then be able to produce the more tomato, with seed inside ready for the life cycle to begin again. Oh, it looks amazing. Okay. And this is apple trees. So, you know, the plant apple trees. Once again, the seeds are found inside the fruit planted in the bright condition. They can grow into seedlings, and the tree will continue to grow into an adult plant. Next, it will be rotate spring flowers known as blossom. Once pollinated, tree will be able to rotate apple with the seeds inside, ready for the life cycle to begin again. So, now, what did you learn about plant today? So, as you know, plant tree plays a very vital role in maintaining the balance of our ecosystem. Imagine you are walking in the park. How many beautiful flowers. So after this lesson, I hope you can understand the main stage of life plant cycle. So I have a homework for you. You draw and label the plant cycle at home and write at least 3 sentences about why plants are important. Thank you. Goodbye.